Okay, so December 29th, 2018. I'm here at Gifting X, and it's right up the hill exactly from where my first time I baited apples in this area. I've got some Flam's apples that I'm going to take, and I'm going to cut a hole here in the top. Like so. People quit messaging me on Facebook. As you can see, there's apples in there, full good apples. Got a good sweet, sour smell coming from them. And right up there, I don't know if you could see it, if I could zoom in, I got a trail cam trained right on this area, and this is right up behind my trailer where they're coming up out at, and they've been traveling right along this trail right where those two trees are in the center there, and they've been coming up. You can see a good worn path working its way down here. This is what I call the gateway. There's a lot of good sign of them in this area. I found rock stacks. There's two arches, one right there, then one right here. And this is the same area that I found the rock stacks in, and those little symbols that I found were all in this area. One was over on this side, and one was right down there in that little hole in the tree line. It's been a while since I've been back in here, but I found a fresh deer leg that had been gnawed on a little bit, and I took it and I put it close by. I call this area my habituation area, my feeding ground. And it's right here on a property line next to a good creek. Plenty of deer sign through here, that's good. Oh, I'm trying not to get hung up in these ignorant briars. See, possibly they took the rock stack out. Nice little squirrel. But as of right now, that camera is running, focused on those apples. Yeah, they pulled the rock stack out. There was used to be here for a number of months. They had trail markers through here. That's what a rock stack means to me, is that it's a trail marker. And there was one that was pieces of sandstone shale that was in here, and it stood 13 stones high. Trying to remember where it was. That's the hard part. It was right here along this creek. It was literally in the creek. And it was sat up on a stone in the middle of the creek. It's gone. Because I know it was between where I was just at and this little opening in the trees. But no. It's the first time I've been back in here since about June. And I'm hoping I can get some better reactions in here with the feeding, because I mean that's a whole box full of apples. That box has got to weigh at least 10 pounds full of apples. But we'll see what she brings. I'm hoping it turns out something, because here in this area is where we did the first feeding experiment here about 2 years ago. And we hung the lure from this very tree. And of course it was up about that high, about right there, which is about 6 or 7 feet high. And I left it out here for 2 weeks, didn't have no cameras, and I come back out here 2 weeks later. All the apples, like we set some over there on the other side of that wash, up there where the box is, all over here, even right here in this den. And there wasn't, all them apples were gone, core and all, except for them apples that was right there in the basket. But I'm hoping for something to turn up, you know, even if it's some apples gone, whether it's wildlife taking them or if it is a squatch. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and I'm hoping for the best. So I want to mosey on out of here, guys. Be sure to tune in tonight for Geek Squatch with me and Daniel. Ain't no telling who's going to jump on the panel tonight, so have a good afternoon, folks. Have a very happy New Year.